we're going to do an application. This one, we have 3 foods with different information about them. And the foods, it's the nutritional content, and the really important piece here is per ounce. Food A, B, and C, we have the calories per ounce, protein in grams per ounce, and vitamin C. Because we're going to do 3 equations with 3 unknowns, we're going to choose X, Y, and Z. So we will let X be the number of ounces of food A. We'll let Y be the number of ounces for food B. And we'll let Z be the number of ounces for food C. The first sentence tells us that the meal consists of 3 foods and exactly 660 calories. That makes equation 1 is that if X is the number of ounces for food A, it would be 40 times X plus 200Y plus 400Z. That has to total 660. We're now going to look for the information for equation 2. So equation 2. So our second equation tells us that the protein per ounce of A, B, and C must total 25 grams. That gives us 5x plus 2y plus 4z must total 25. And now we're ready for the last equation, equation 3. So equation 3 must total 425 milligrams of vitamin C. Equation 3 tells us 30 times, that's how many milligrams of vitamin C, times the number of ounces, 30x, plus 10 times the number of ounces of food Y, plus 300 food C. That must total 425. We now have 3 equations, 3 variables, and we're going to now use our techniques to solve for the number of ounces of each. I'm going to choose to eliminate X. So I'm going to eliminate X from, first I'm going to eliminate it from equation 1 and equation 2. And I see that I have a 5x here, but I've got 40x in equation 1. So I'm going to multiply equation 2 by negative 8. I put equation 1, which is 40x plus 200y plus 400z is 660. And now I'm going to multiply equation 2 by negative 8. So negative 8 times equation 2 becomes negative 40x, negative 8 times 2, negative 16y, negative 8 times 4, negative 32z, negative 8 times 25, negative 200. I now can eliminate x, and that creates equation 4. I eliminate x, and I now have that equation 4. 200 minus 16 is 184y, plus 400 minus 32 is 368z. 660 minus 200 is 460. I now need to eliminate x between equation 2 and equation 3. And I can see with the 30x for equation 3, I multiply equation 2 by negative 6. So I am now going to put equation 3, which I know I stay 30x plus 10y plus 300z is 425. Now I multiply equation 2 by negative 6. Negative 6 times 5, negative 30x, negative 6 times 2, negative 12y, negative 6 times 4, negative 24z, negative 6 times 25 is negative 150. This now becomes equation 5. I have negative 2y. 300 minus 24 is 276z, and 425 minus 150 is 275. I now have equation 4 and equation 5. I now have equation 4 and equation 5. We're now going to eliminate y. So I'm going to multiply equation 5 by 92, equation 5, which is negative 184y plus 25,392z equals 25,300. Equation 4 is 184y plus 368z equals 460. I'm now going to go to the next page. This unbelievably works out. We get 25,760z is 25,760. Z equals 1.